I'm repotting this plant into this pot because this is actually just a bucket and it has no drainage. So this leaf is turning yellow and a couple of other leaves fell off. So I was like, oh no, the plant's dying. And this is one of my favorite plants. It's a prayer plant, by the way. First, before I put it in this pot, I just realized it looks kind of ugly. It's kind of ugly, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna paint like something on it. I'm gonna paint something on it. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna use this light purple color and dark purple. Just put hearts on it. There's one heart. Here's the big hearts. I'm really not liking the small hearts, dark purple hearts. I just don't like them. Okay, that must not even Come on. Come on. Just do what I want you to do. Here's the purple hearts. Where's the bad one? It's this one. There's one bristle on this brush. There it is. You see it? But yeah, anyway, it's missing. I just pulled it out. So I'm going outside because I need to get some new dirt. The dirt in this pink pot is like all moist. How long has it been like that? I don't know. I don't want to give it root rods. Go outside.
Oh. I want to stay whenever you want me.
Sparkle, what are you doing out there? She decided she wanted to go back out. Oh, what a cutie. It's nice weather out today. It's like perfectly in between, not cold and not warm. Look at the lake. Oh, you can't really see it because there's a bunch of trees in the way, but that looks it's really pretty. And Sparkle came out. Sparkle! Look at me! Sparkle! Oh, she's cute. And also Davy came out. Hi! Hi! It's so cute! Under the couch. Yeah, it's Davy. Go, Sparkle! Oh. I forgot I was actually gonna cut off this leaf because prayer plants can't revive leaves that are already dying. It can only just grow new ones. So, I'm gonna chop it. Wow, looking pretty nice. Pretty good. Oh, that looks dusty. Okay, no close-ups. Just wanted to say that my shirt matches my socks. And yeah. They're strawberry socks. I really like strawberries. I just wanted to show this special tree. It's an upside down tree.
At the at-home store, and they're actually selling an upside down tree. Oh, look at these for my vase. Look. For my
She loves peacock stuff.
believe this. Look, you put these on a curtain.
She's
All
obsessed.
peacock stuff. All. Yes, I'm going nuts.
Whoa, these ones are really pretty.
Like all Christmas.
Here's a beach ornaments section. Can you show it?
You should put that in your room.
Chandeliers. Pearls. Butterflies. Christmas tree cup. Me in my room at 1 o'clock in the morning. Always pink. I thought that ornament looked cool up there.
A squirrel.
So me and Grace went shopping today. So I'm gonna show you what we got. So first we went to Goodwill and Grace got this cup. Just has like hearts on it, I guess. Yeah. And then we got this other cup, or I guess it could be a bowl. It has bears. It's really cute. Okay, next thing. From Goodwill, Grace also got this little heart mirror. She's really into hearts. She just got like a heart shelf. She hasn't put it up yet, but it's really cute. And that's just gonna go with her shelf. So it's so little. Okay, then Grace got this for my mom. It says, ask and it will be given to you. And something else that I can't read because they put the sticker over it. Okay. After Goodwill, we went to the at-home store. We only got like a few things there. Grace got this polar bear. I don't know. There's nothing really special about it. It's just like a chubby little polar bear. Ornament. It's a ornament. Sorry. Forgot to say that. But yeah, we saw it and just started laughing because, I don't know, it was funny. Yeah. Twerk, 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 twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Okay. Grace also got this ornament. It's not like near Christmas at all yet, but the ornaments at the at-home store are so cute. My mom really likes peacocks, so this is like perfect for her. Kind of looks like a sugar cookie. Okay, and the last place we went was Target. I got this cardigan. Can you see it? Yeah. It's just like a sweater cardigan with a collar. I'll try it on for you. Here it is. I really like the sleeves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? He's so cute. He's such a cutie. Davey. Davey, what are you looking at? He's so cute.
Keeps doing that.
The cutie.